You've probably heard all kinds of business success stories, ones that were perhaps inspired by someone else, some were passed down across the family tree, and a few where someone created patented, ingenious products or services tailored to the market's demands. But have you ever heard of a business that thrived from an old-fashioned robbery? Yeah, we don't think so. That's why today we're going to talk about such a company whose founder got the idea after getting robbed at the beach. This is AquaVault. If you travel pretty often, this brand mustn't have escaped your sights. It's a company that makes a bevy of portable products to keep your valuables safe, technologically protect your valuable data from transferring, and keep them out of sight from thieves. Interestingly, this random startup became a 20 million business in under 3 years after getting onto Shark Tank. But that was back in 2018.
Good deal. Smart man, there you go. All right. Good stuff, man.
Now, AquaVault has even more to offer. The company has grown bigger, launched some great products, and earned the trust of thousands of travelers. So, how did this regular safe-making brand come so far? What's the tech behind their journey? And what led AquaVault to this great business success? We're here to flip through the pages. So, the story of AquaVault started with a simple idea that came from a frustrating personal experience. The company was founded by 3 friends who first met in college: Jonathan Keenas, Rob Peck, and Avin Samtani. In their college life, they maintained a very long-lasting, amiable friendship, but for their careers, they had to switch to various positions in different areas. Even though they had a close friendship, they never realized that this stalwart friendship would bring them together on the same platform to venture on a business. After graduating, Keenas became a financial advisor at Merrill Lynch, Peck launched a commercial flooring business, and Samtani managed a team at a private mortgage bank in Manhattan. Little did they know that their lives would have been at stake during a weekend reunion at a wedding in South Beach. Soon they realized that they weren't the only ones who had been robbed that day. There are hundreds and thousands of such cases where tourists visiting into other countries get preyed on by such robberies. People leaving their valuable items like wallets, purses, cards, passports, and keys with their deck chairs by the swimming pool or beach, and later not finding them there. The founders of AquaVault on their trip to South Beach experienced a similar incident where they stuck their towels, shoes, and other things with a hope that they would get it when returned. But they were swiped the moment they came up to the desk. And this grim experience inspired Keenas and his friends to come up with a new idea, something that can keep the belongings safe when you're not there. So they thought of making a portable safe that could attach to lounge chairs, golf carts, or any other surface. Excited by this idea, they quickly sketched it out on a napkin, which was the start of their journey into entrepreneurship. Their first step was to call a patent attorney to protect their idea, so they officially launched AquaVault. In 2015, they decided to leave their stable jobs and fully commit to creating this innovative travel security solution. As AquaVault started to develop, the founders realized that millions of vacationers fall victim to theft every year while enjoying beautiful beaches and pools. Keenas expressed the frustration many travelers feel, saying, "Can you imagine going to another country and having your wallet, phone, and passport stolen while you swim? It's a terrible experience that happens way too often." To solve this common problem as much as possible, they designed a portable safe made from a tough material called ABS thermoplastic that could withstand multiple attempts to steal it. They named this product the FlexSafe, and it quickly became popular among travelers everywhere. Their innovative product not only caught the eye of consumers, but also attracted investors. AquaVault gained significant attention when it appeared on ABC's hit show Shark Tank, where they secured funding from famous investor Damon John. They went there with a pill-shaped portable safe that attaches to lounge chairs. This safe allows people to securely lock up their valuables, like wallets and phones, while they swim. Since that was their initial product, the company has expanded its lineup and started running campaigns on a crowdfunding platform, Indiegogo.com. They secured around $22,675 by 352 backers with their FlexSafe product. And after its success, they've got $343,367 US dollar funding on their FlexSafe Plus. That campaign helped AquaVault rank in the top 1% of companies that were able to raise more than $250,000 via crowdfunding. However, just as things were looking up, the pandemic struck. Kina said, "All of a sudden, the world gets hit by a situation we've never seen in recent history." AquaVault, like many other travel businesses, faced some tough times. The team came together to rethink their services and find new ways to navigate the changing travel landscape, especially with all the health concerns and restrictions happening. Though there were so many challenges, the trio's determination never faded away. They expanded their product line to include more travel-related items, such as the Phone Vault, which features an innovative biometric lock and a waterproof phone pouch. This flexibility helped the company to achieve great growth. And soon, it turned it into a $26.5 million business. To go with the business flow, they've also formed partnerships with major retailers like Disney World, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Base Pro Shops. Well, AquaVault didn't launch an array of products. Instead, they focused more on productivity over quantity, which is the case for all their products, as all of them serve the most important aspect of the day-to-day of the users one way or another. The very first product of the brand was FlexSafe. It is made for giving you peace of mind wherever your adventures take you. This flexible safe can be easily packed in any bag, so you can take it anywhere from beach vacations to golfing trips. The exterior is made from cut-resistant nylon, and it features a 3-digit combination lock to keep your belongings safe from theft. You can customize your FlexSafe with a range of exclusive colors, so you'll never get bored. If you're staying in a hotel or hostel in a foreign country, you can rest easy knowing your essentials are secure. You won't have to experience the same thing that the founders faced. Another fantastic product from AquaVault is their portable beach chair safe. This innovative safe features a sleek design that blends seamlessly with high-end furniture. It comes with a sturdy 3-digit combination lock and durable high-impact ABS plastic, so you can securely lock your valuables onto fixed objects like beach chairs. And in 2021, AquaVault launched their Charge Card, or you can say Trum Card. It's claimed to be the world's thinnest charge so far, and for that, you can easily attach this laser-etched stainless steel to your phone while connecting this with your phone to boost the charge of the battery. Besides, its portability is super tangible because you can fit it in any wallet. Being the world's thinnest portable charger, it gives your iPhone or Android a boost of 30 to 100% to keep your phone powered throughout your busy day. With this handy device, you won't have to stress about running out of battery while you're on the go. So, if we talk about the one important approach the company implemented early on, was to reduce the risks associated with their startup. They reached out to the 10 smartest people they knew for brutally honest feedback. Jonathan Kina said, "We asked them for their top 2 reasons they could see us failing. Then we methodically addressed those concerns with precision. There are so many unknown variables that unless you put your blinders on and just get to work, you might convince yourself to back out before you even begin," he said. "From my experience, it's better for entrepreneurs to expect the unexpected. They need to be nimble and ready to embrace the roller coaster ride that comes with the journey." AquaVault's strategy was simple. They successfully captured the market by collaborating with influencers. They secured media coverage for their products, got featured on famous TV shows, and apart from all of these, they formed strategic partnerships with various brands, which helped them get noticed by more people, and the rest of the game was played by their cool products. Since they haven't released much about AquaVault's future plans to create anything ingenious, we'll need to wait. However, we as users can expect them to explore more into the more secured gadgets. Some of their products like Vault or Thin Wallet Charger can have Find My Device kind of feature to further consolidate their security measures. Now we are carrying them with us for their portability, which we assume will not be lost. But what if these products with our previous mobiles or laptops are missing or getting robbed? What will then happen? Having such a Find My Device option will enable us to know the perpetrator's location, which will make it easy to find our lost products. According to Jonathan Kina, one of the co-founders and the CEO of AquaVault, thinks his long-awaited success came into reality only due to his dare to take the risk at the right time. He gave up his 9-to-5 job in finance, where he could have lived his life If not the best, at least better in terms of comfortability. But he didn't do it. In fact, despite knowing that entrepreneurs like him have no time to chill and no specific clock-out time, he still embraced this journey to make his dream possible. He suggested that his confidence, which was not too high to piss off the judges of Shark Tank and not low to get rejected by them, had gained him and his team to come where they are today. In fact, Damon John, one of the judges of Shark Tank who made them clinch the deal, had been really helpful. He not only joined in investing, but also was very active with the founders of AquaVault and delivered more than expected kudos to him for his support and dedication. That was all about AquaVault. With some simple yet cool products, they are growing at a constant pace. And if you want us to grow at the same pace, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below if you have any preferred brand that we can cover. Thank you.